Okay, hello and welcome to another live stream. Today's topic is equations of circles for P1. We will be solving all past paper questions today. All the recent past paper questions. I am starting from May, June 24, and I will go back as far as 20 or 21. Let's see how many I can solve within the time that I have. Um, I have my calculator. Okay, let's begin. This is the first question. This is from May, June 24, 1. Okay, this is equation of a circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y square equals to 18. The line y equals to mx plus c passes through the point 0, comma minus 9 and is the tangent to the circle. Find the two possible values of m for each value of m. Find the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle. Okay, so this is a merger of, I think, quadratics and equations of circles. I don't know if I have the marking schemes around here, but we'll see. Once I solve, I will open up the marking scheme and see the final answer. Okay, so passes through the point this minus 9 equals to m times 0 plus c. So c is equals to minus 9. So my equation becomes mx minus 9. Then I will solve simultaneously with this. And because I'm trying to find a common point between the two. Okay, so x square minus 6x plus 9 plus m square x square minus 18mx plus 81 minus 18 equals to 0. X square plus m square x square minus 6x minus 18mx 81 minus 18 is plus 9 is 72. So if it's a tangent, I'm going to say that I am going to use roots to solve this. And c is 72. So b square okay, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Minus 6 minus 18m whole square minus 4 1 plus m square and c is 72. Okay, I am going to expand this. So 6 square is 36, and when you have two negatives it turns into a positive. I'm going to expand it with the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared 216. What's 18 squared plus 324 squared minus 4 into 72 is 288 minus 288 m squared. Okay, so what's 324 minus 288? 36 m squared minus that's plus 216m and 324. I think all of these are divisible by 36, sorry. I'm just going to reduce everything just to make the numbers simple. Okay, then I use my calculator to solve a quadratic, and I'm going to get m is equals to minus 3. Just find the two possible values of m. I must have made a mistake somewhere. Let's check. Okay, my bad. This is where the mistake is. Okay, that's what I was thinking, that I had the numbers different. 324 minus 288. 36m squared plus 216m. Mm, 36 minus 288. Is minus 252. Is that divisible by 36? Yes, that is also divisible by 36. So m square plus 6m minus 7 equals to 0. I get two answers out of this. I can get minus 7 and 1. Okay. Then for each value of m, find the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle. So I'm asking you to solve again simultaneously. So what I can do is I can pick up this equation from here and use these two values of m one by one. So x squared minus 7 squared will give me 49x squared minus 6x minus 18 into minus 7. 18 into minus 7. 25. Wait. 1 to 6 x plus 72. And the other one's easy, I think. X squared plus x squared minus 6x minus 18x plus 72. So I then have 50x squared minus 120x plus 72 equals to 0. 50 minus 120 and 72. 6 over 5. So x equals to 6 over 5. Two minus 20, 72. Okay, there must be a mistake here. Minus 24x. 6. Okay, I have the two values of m and I have the values and find the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle. So y equals to mx plus c. M was minus 7, x is 6 over 5, and c is minus 9. So I should get minus 87 over 5. M is 1, 6, minus 9, minus 3. So 6 comma minus 3 and 6 over 5 comma minus 87 over 5. I will have to check if those are the correct answers. I'm going to quickly open up my working scheme and see if that's the correct answer. It was May, June 24, 1, 1. This has to be question number 10, I think. I've gotten a calculation mistake somewhere. This is minus 6 over 5. Did I get that wrong? Let me check if it was minus for me. It is minus, yes. So it's 3 over 5. Silly mistake. It's 42, 42 minus 3 over 5, so minus 3 over 5. The rest is fine. Yeah, the rest of it is fine. Okay, moving on. It was a long question. Question number 7 says, this is from May, June 24, 1, 2. So there's nearly one question in every exam. Okay, this says the equation of a circle is x minus 6 whole square plus y plus a whole square equals to 18. Okay, I will have to just sort this out before I go on. Okay, the equation of a circle is x minus 6 whole square plus y plus a whole square equals to 18. The line with equation y equals to 2a minus x is a tangent to the circle. So again, sort of a quadratics question here. 2a minus x plus a whole square equals to 18. So I get x minus 6 whole square plus a 3a minus 6 minus x whole square equals to 18. I expand all of that and I say that this is x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus 9a squared minus 6ax plus x squared equals to 18. Bringing everything to one side gives me 2x squared minus 12x minus 6ax plus 36 minus 18, so 18 plus 9a squared. Okay. What are you starting today? Okay, so b square minus 4ac, because I've just told you that it's a tangent to the circle. So b a c. So I have 144 plus 144a plus 36a squared minus 4 into 2 into 18 gives me minus 144 again, and 8 into 9 gives me 72a squared. So this cancels out with that. I get 144a minus 36 a squared. I take an a common. Okay, so either a equals to 0 or 144 minus 36 a equals to 0. बेटा ये आपने अपने आप को चैलेंज दिया है 3 दिन में सब कुछ तैयारी करने का, तो करें. Let's see what the challenge. Only when you go through the challenge will you know the answer. Okay, so the two values of a are a equals to 0 and a equals to 4. Okay, then it says for the greater value of a, find the equation of the diameter which is perpendicular to the given tangent. Okay, for the greater value of a, so I'm taking a as 4. Okay, a is 4 and the circle is at 6 comma minus 4. 6 comma minus 4. This question says for the greater value find the equation of the diameter which is perpendicular to the given tangent. So there is a tangent that has an equation of 2 into 4 minus x, so 8 minus x. Okay, so there's a tangent that looks like this. Okay, I want to find the equation of this diameter, which is, it's called this blue line. Okay, so the gradient of this line is -1, therefore the gradient of that line should be 1 and the diameter must pass through the center. So y minus y1 m x minus x1. ये हो कौन तुम? मोहम्मद किसका फर्स्ट नेम है? -10. Okay, let's check if these answers are correct. June 24, 1, 2. Question I think 8 है, नहीं 7 है. X minus 10, yeah. So yeah. Okay, moving on. Question number 8 from June 24, 1, 3. Brilliant. और नहीं आए तो मुझे क्या फायदा? Okay, this meets the y-axis at the points A and B. The tangents to the circle at A and B meet at the point P. Find the coordinates of P. Okay, so first I will have to complete the square on this one to find out the center of this circle. Okay, as I've told you before, I complete the square by using the idea of a squared 2ab plus b squared. So that's a squared 2a, b should be 3, so plus 3 squared. On the other side, I also have 15 plus 3 squared. 2y times 1 plus 1 squared, so 1 squared on the other side. So x minus 3 whole square and y plus 1 whole squared equals to 15 plus 10 is 25. So I have the circle. This circle is basically at 3 comma minus 1 with a radius of 5. Meets the y-axis at the points A and B. So if it meets the y-axis at the points A and B, I can just simply go on and plug in x as 0. Okay, now the easy way of doing this would be to just take 9 on the other side and say that 25 minus 9 gives me 16. I put a root on both and say that y plus 1 equals to 4 and y plus 1 equals to minus 4, y equals to 3 and y equals to minus 5. Okay, so I have 2 points, y equals to 3 and y equals to minus 5. Minus 5 should be here. It could be actually on both sides, I'm not sure. Well, in fact, the y-axis is here. So minus 0 comma minus 5 and 0 comma 3. The tangents at the circle at A and B, so the tangents coming from here and meeting at B. Okay. At B. Okay, so what is the gradient of this line? Let's try to figure that out. The gradient between A and C, let's call that the center. So the gradient AC is my y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's minus 4 over 3. Okay. Brilliant. That's what I get. Okay. Gradient of AC, so the gradient of tangent would be 3 over 4. I will construct the equation of that. It's obviously the y-intercept is there, so it's going to be 3 over 4x plus 3. Okay, for the other tangent, I have again the gradient BC, minus 5 plus 1 over 0 minus 3. That gives me minus 4 over 3, minus 4 over minus 3. That gives me 4 over 3. So the other would be minus 3 over 4. So y equals to minus 3 over 4x minus 5. Now these two meet at the point P. Let's solve them simultaneously. Okay, 3 over 4x plus 3 over 4x equals to minus 5 minus 3. I have 6 over 4x equals to minus 8 minus 32 over 6, 16 over 3. I just want to check if that is the right answer to this question. This is Meiju 2413. Question number 8. Yep, that is correct. So I'm just going to find out the value of y. You can find out y by plugging in into any of the numbers. 3 cancelled, 4 plus 3, so y is minus 1, right? Yep. Okay, that is the correct answer to this question. This was May June 24, 1-3. Okay, there was lots of space. Okay, question number 10. Is this a question on area or otherwise? Okay, I think we'll be able to do this. The diagram shows the circle with center C and radius root of 20. The circle intersects the y-axis at the points A and B. The size of the angle ACB is theta radians. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point minus 6, 9. So this point is minus 4 and 5. Minus 6, 9 should be somewhere here. I'm trying to find this tangent. Okay, I'm going to first find out, let's call that point P. That's the point C. So the gradient of PC is steps of transformation. Have you seen the transformation stream? उसमें से figure out नहीं हुए. -2. That's the gradient of BC. So the gradient of the tangent will be half y minus y1 mx minus x1. 2y minus 18 equals to x plus 6. 2y equals to x plus 24. Find the equation of the circle in the form this. So I have the radius, I have the center. I just need to plug that in. So x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equals to root of 20 square. So x square plus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 equals to 20. So x square plus 8x plus y square minus 10y, and I add up all the numbers. 16 plus 25 gives me 41. Okay. Okay. 41, 51, 51 minus 20 is 81. Yep, I think that should be correct. Okay. बेटा अभी मेरे पास इस पेपर के सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हैं, but I think I will be solving this later on. Question 11 अभी. These are all questions for circles only filtered out. I won't be able to open that question for you right now. Find the value of theta correct too for significant figures. Okay, so I will probably need the values of a and b, and then I will be able to use cosine rule to do this, I think. I don't know if I'm missing something. I think that's the better way of doing this question. Okay, so for the y-axis I have x as 0, y minus 5 whole square equals to 20 minus 16, y minus 5 whole square equals to 4, y equals to y minus 5 equals to 2 or minus 2, y equals to 7 or y equals to 3. One of these numbers is 3 and the other is 7. You can draw a line here and say that this distance is going to be, that's why the total distance of 4, so 2 That's root of 20. So I can just use sine theta and say that sine theta, let's figure out theta. I will do that in radians. Sine inverse of 2 over root 20. 0.4636. Okay, and since I need to multiply that by 2 as well, I'm going to first multiply by 2 and then write theta corrected for significant figures. Well, so that's 9273. Okay. The perimeter and the area of the shaded segment in the diagram. So for perimeter, I simply have 4 plus the arc length. 4 plus r theta. R is 20 and theta I just found out as 0.9273. So root of 20 into 0.9273 and plus 4 gives me 8.147. So that's 8.15 correct to 3 significant figures. And the area of shaded is basically area of sector minus area of triangle of or square theta of A B sine of C. So that's 9.273 20 into sine of 0.9273 divided by 2. So 1.273 is the area. Let's check if those are the correct answers. This is May June 24, 1, 2. This is question number 10. February, March 24. My bad. Okay, that's correct. I have probably made a mistake here. That's supposed to be 21. And 9273 is fine. And 1.273, which should be rounded off to 3 significant figures. That's also fine. Okay, moving on to the next question then. This is question number 11 from November 23, 1, 2. Okay, the coordinates of the points A, B, and C are 6, 4, P7 and 14, 18 respectively, where P is a constant. The line AB is perpendicular to the line BC. Given that P is less than 10, find the value of P. Okay, so AB is perpendicular to BC, so the gradients of AB and BC should have a product of -1. 7 minus 4, P minus 6. 18 minus 7 and 14 minus p. So that's 3 over p minus 6. 11 over 14 minus p. That's 33 equals to minus 1 into p minus 6 into 14 minus p. That's p minus 6 into p minus 14. I expand the brackets, p square, and I'd get a total of 20p. And 14 into 6 is 84, I think. Okay, so p square minus 20p plus 84 minus 33, 51. Okay, I think that's 3 and 17. 3 and 17, yeah. P is equals to 3 and p equals to 17. It says p should be less than 10. So that's the only answer. This is discarded. The circle passes through the points A, B, and C. Find the equation of the circle. So if they're all on the boundary and two of them are perpendicular, then that property about 90 degrees becomes active. So you'd have B, A, and C. Getting 75% on the exam. That's the challenge he has set himself. I don't know who he is though. Okay, A, 6, 4, and 14 and 18. Okay, that automatically means that AC should be the diameter of the circle. Then you calculate the midpoint. So 18 plus 4 over 2, sorry, west, the x coordinates. 6 plus 14 over 2 and 4 plus 18 over 2. That should be 10 comma 11. Then the distance AC, 18 minus almost सारे हमारी भी मिड टर्म में इतनी आ रही. आप कौन से कॉलेज से? That's root of 260. Okay, so the radius comes out as root of 65. So x minus 10 whole square, y minus 11 whole square, root of 65 squared. So x minus 10 whole squared plus y minus 11 whole squared equals to 65. I want to go back and check this before I go on. It's November 23, 1, 2. What question this is? 11. 11, okay, so P is 3 and 65, yeah, okay, that's correct. Let's do the last part of this question. It says find the equation of the tangent to the circle at C, giving the answer in the form dx plus ey equals plus f equals to 0. So I have the circle, the center is 10 comma 11. Find the equation of the at C. What is the point C? This point C is 14 comma 18. So I'm going to first calculate, let's call that center x. So Cx is 18 minus 11 over 14 minus 10. That's 7 over 4. So perpendicular would be minus 4 over 7. Y minus y1, mx minus x1. 7y minus 18 into 7. 126 minus 4x plus 56. 7y. 4x plus 7y. 126 minus plus 56. 182. Okay, let's check if those are the correct answers. Yep, the correct answer is this. Let's move on to the next question that we have. Okay, this is question number 2 from November 2313. It says the circle with equation this intersects the y axis at the point A and B. Find the y coordinates of A and B. So x has 0. Expressing your answers in sets means that you have to leave it in the form of roots. Okay, so I put a root on both sides. Y minus 5 equals to root of 31 with a plus, and y minus 5 equals to minus root of 31. 31 is a prime number. I don't think I will be able to do anything about it. Okay, and it says find the equation of the circle which has AB as its diameter. So I have AB as its diameter. Okay, that's interesting. Sure. This has to be a vertical line, right? Plus root 31 and 5 minus root 31. Both of x coordinates is 0. Okay, so the distance between these 2 points would be, let's calculate this vertical distance. A, that's B. Okay, and just subtract the 2 to find the distance. Why am I doing this? Okay, so that should be 2 root 31. This is the diameter. Radius would be root of 31. What is the midpoint? The midpoint has x coordinate 0, and 5 plus root 31 plus 5 minus root 31 over 2 should give me 5, 0, 5. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equals to root of 31 squared. So x squared plus y minus 5 whole squared equals to 31. Okay, that should be the equation of the circle. I think that was a simple question. November 2311 now. Question number 11. Okay, this question says the diagram shows a circle with equation this parallel tangents. That means the gradients are the same. Okay. Touch the circle at 1. So gradient is 1, so gradient is 1 as well. Find the equation of the line AB. Now it's obvious that when I draw this line, it has to pass through the center. Why? Because if I invert the gradient, it gives me, this line should have a gradient of -1, right? whether it's measured from BC or from AC, it should have -1, and it means that this line should actually be just a straight line, which is perpendicular to both tangents. Okay, so I can simply find, what do I have? I have the center, 4 comma -1. Okay, so equation of line AB is very simple then. The gradient is -1, so y minus -1 mx minus 1, y plus 1 minus x plus 4, y equals to minus x plus 3. Okay, that was simple, I think. Okay, find the coordinates of A, giving each coordinate insert form. For A, I need to have a simultaneous solution. Where does the line and curve intersect? So x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 40. And here I have y equals to minus x plus 3. Okay, x square minus 8x plus 16. 16 minus 8x plus x squared equals to 40. Plus 32 minus 40, so minus 8. Okay, I will have to put this on my calculator. Two minus 16 and minus 8. So I'm getting x equals to 4 plus 2 root 5 and x equals to 4 minus 2 root 5. This is A and that has to be B because B has a bigger x coordinate. Okay, so if A is this, what is the value of the y coordinate? It's minus x, so minus 4 plus 2 root 5 plus 3. So y equals to minus 1 plus 2 root 5. Okay, so the x coordinate is 4 minus 2 root 5, comma 2 root minus 1 plus 2 root 5 as the y coordinate. Okay, then it says find the equation of the tangent at A, giving your answer in the form y equals to mx plus c. The c is insert form. Okay, so the gradient of that line was what? That gradient of that line is 1. I'm just going to use the coordinates and say y minus y1 m x minus x1. Okay, so adding and subtracting will give me y equals to x, and I have a total of -5 plus 4 root 5. Okay, let's check our answers for this one. Remember 2311. Question 11. Okay, minus x plus 3. Yep, all of those answers are correct. And the final answer is also correct. Okay, moving on to the next question then. Yeah, that is the question. It says the equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 20. The line y equals to half x plus 6 is a tangent to the circle at the point P. So that one possible value of a is 4 and find the other possible value of a. So I'm going to solve them simultaneously again. X minus a whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 20. I will replace y with half x plus 6. So I get x squared minus 2ax plus a squared plus 1 over 4x squared. That's a total of 3. So 2ab will give me 3x plus 9 to 20. That's 5 over 4x squared plus 3x minus 2ax plus a squared minus 11. So pulling out ABC from here is 5 over 4, B is 3 minus 2a, C is a squared minus 11, B squared minus 4ac is equals to 0 for the tangent. 3 minus 2a whole square minus 4 times 5 over 4 times a squared minus 11. So I get 9 minus 12a plus 4a squared minus 20a squared, no, minus 5a squared, and plus 55. So I have minus a squared minus 12a. 55 plus 9 should give me 64. These 16 and 4. Minus 1 minus 12 and 64. So a can have two values. A can be 4 or a can be minus 16. Okay, I found out the other value. I found out both values. For a equals to 4, find the equation of the normal to the circle at P. So what is the normal to the circle? It is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, if you've done differentiation, that's what it is. So for a equals to 4, so 4 comma 3. Where am I tangent? I'm tangent at the point P. Do I know the point P? No, I don't know the point P so far, but I know that I found out this equation. If I solve this, I can probably find out p first. Okay, so a is 4. So 4 plus 4 times x. 3x minus 8x plus 16 minus 11 minus 5x, 5 and 25, and so minus 25x equals to 5. So p has the coordinates 5 comma half of 5 plus 6, 8.5. Okay, what is the gradient between these two? 8.5 minus 3 and 5 minus 4. So that's 5.5. Okay, that's 11 over 2. That's the gradient of this. That is what I'm trying to find, the normal. So y minus y1, 17 over 2, which is 8.5, m x minus x1. Cross multiplying this 2, so I get 2y minus 17 equals to 11x minus 55. So 2y equals to 11x minus 55 plus 17 gives me what? Minus 38. So that is the equation of the normal. The normal is a perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, for a equals to 4, find the equation of the two tangents to the circle which are parallel to the normal and found in part A. Okay, so I want to find the equation of this and an equation for that. Okay, so this is also going to be a 90-degree thing. Okay, so if that line had a gradient of 11 over 2, this should have a gradient of minus 2 over 11. I should verify my answer first before I go on and calculate this. June 23, 1, 2. That's question number 10. It was minus 16. Okay, I have this point wrong. Which is why this answer has to be wrong. Yeah. And B. Okay, let me check this working. Is 4, so 3x minus 8x plus 16 minus 11. It is not getting B right. What mistake have I made? Twenty 3x minus 8x 5 Okay, I don't know why I've put an x there. So 5 over 4x squared minus 5x plus 5 solve for x. X is 2. Okay, so all of this is also wrong. Then I need to do this again. So that's 2, and then that's 7. So y minus y1. M is 2 minus 3 over 7 minus 4. That gives me minus 1 over 3 as the value of the gradient. So this line has a gradient of minus 1 over 3. Okay, let me check if that is correct now. Oh, I've written the other way around. What am I doing? 7 minus 3 and 2 minus 4. It's minus 2. The equation of the normal would be y minus y1 mx minus 2x plus 11. Okay, yeah, minus 2x plus 11. And for the last part, find the equation of the two tangents at which they are parallel to the normal found in B. What would happen is, one of the things that would happen is that these normals would look like this, normal parallel to the normal, so they would all have the gradient of minus 2. I will still need a point to construct the equation. So what I will have to do is I will have to figure out somehow this point. Let's call that R and let's call that T. Okay. What I'm going to do first is I'll figure out the coordinates of R and T. To figure out the coordinates of R and T, you will probably have to solve simultaneously. Or you can also do something directly, direct solution as well. I can figure that out. That would involve a lot of rotation and so on. So let's pick the easy way out. If this had a gradient of minus 2, this has a gradient of half. Okay, so y minus y1, mx minus x1, 2y minus 6, and x minus 4, 2y equals to x plus 2. Okay, then I have the equation of the circle, which is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 20. I solve these simultaneously. Okay, I can actually replace x easily. I can do 2y minus 2 equals to x. Okay, so I have 4y squared 6 into 2, 12, 24y plus 36 plus y squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to 20. Okay, 5y squared minus y minus 30y plus 45 minus 20 is plus 25. Okay, so I think I'm going to get 5 and 1. So the values of y. To find out the values of x, I have x as 8 and x as 0. So one of these points is 8 comma 5 and the other is 0 comma 1. To find the equation of the normals, I'm going to again use the formula y minus y1 mx minus x1. So minus 2x plus 16 plus 5 minus 2x plus 21. Okay. I am using an M1 Pro. Okay, let me just check my answers. Minus 2x plus 1 and minus 2x plus 21. Yep, both are correct answers. I hope this was a productive stream. There are still a lot of questions that I will have to solve. I will be back with another round of questions for equations of circles. Thank you for watching.